Due to the way our Raman system works, it's incredibly important to make sure that your fiber connections are clean and secure. To ensure the best connection, we always recommend using the included fiber cleaning tool on the fiber ends as well as the device's connection ports. Simply remove the cap, insert and press the tip of the fiber cable until you hear a click, and repeat 2 to 3 times per use. For cleaning the fiber port in the instrument, remove the plastic insert on the fiber cleaning tool, insert and push the tool into the fiber connector until you hear a click. Again, repeat 2 to 3 times. This will ensure that the fiber ends are clean before you plug them into the system. When plugging in the fiber cables, start by lining up the key slot on the device. Slowly insert the fiber end from an angle and then finger tighten to secure. Do not use force to insert the fiber into the connector on the instrument. Make sure not to sharply bend or kink the fiber cables, as this can result in a bad signal or no signal. If possible, we recommend that you avoid disconnecting the fiber cables after a good connection is made. Be sure to follow our social media pages to learn more about MarqMetrix and our unique approach to process Raman. Be sure to subscribe to this channel for more Raman content, and thanks for watching.